Hello guys, I'm Shubham from Show Tutorials. This video is about amino acids. Okay. Previously, we have completed carbohydrates. So before we start, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new is out. This is absolutely free from your side, but this will help us grow. So all about amino acids we will be discussing. First of all, amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, right? Proteins amino acids से बनते हैं. General structure of amino acid we will see. What is general structure? We will draw here. Okay, this is the general structure. Central जो carbon है, this is known as alpha. Okay, alpha carbon. Why? Because it is having amino group on one side and carboxylic acid group on the other side. And this R group is the side chain. Side chain. Depending on the R group, different amino acids are classified. Okay. बाकी का स्ट्रक्चर सेम रहेगा. जो R group है, that will be changing. This is also known as alpha amino acid. Okay, alpha amino acid. Because alpha carbon पर एक साइड अमाइनो ग्रुप एंड एक साइड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है. Now this is the general structure, but this gives rise to a charged structure. Okay, charged structure at physiological pH. So the structure changes to, I will show you here only, ionic structure basically हम बोल सकते हैं. So this will be the structure, okay, showing the charges, right? Positive charge on the amino group and negative charge on the carboxylic acid group. So this is at physiological pH. Physiological pH, that is 7.4. Okay, this structure, and this will be termed as zwitter ionic or dipolar. Okay, dipolar means two opposite charges are present, right? Two opposite charges are present. Dipolar means positive charge and negative charge. Okay, zwitter ionic means also same, bearing positive as well as negative charge. ऐसा मॉलिक्यूल जिसमें पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज दोनों प्रेजेंट है, दैट इज नोन एज zwitter ionic as well as dipolar. Okay, so this is about the general structure of amino acid. Now we will see the classification, right? Classification of amino acid. So first of all, the classification was done as essential and non-essential amino acids. Okay, essential and non-essential amino acids. Essential means body cannot make. Okay, body cannot make. So these are to be taken from outside. Okay, means diet. So thus they are called as essential. Okay, means these are essential amino acids which body cannot make. बॉडी में ये नहीं बनते एंड दस बाहर से हमें लेना चाहिए थ्रू द डाइट. ओके, एंड जो नॉन एसेंशियल है, दिस आर बॉडी कैन प्रोड्यूस. ओके, बॉडी कैन प्रोड्यूस. नॉन एसेंशियल मीन्स, तो एसेंशियल में एग्जांपल्स है अर्जिनिन, आइसोल्यूसिन, हिस्टीडीन, ल्यूसिन, मेथियोनिन, लाइसिन, फिनाइलएलानाइन, ट्रिप्टोफैन, थियोनिन, वैल्यू. एंड नॉन एसेंशियल में एलानाइन, आर्जिनिन, एस्पाराजिन, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamic acid, glutamine, lysine, proline, serine, tyrosine. Okay, one more thing you have to know. See this aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Okay, and this carboxylic acid group, basically हम इसे कार्बोक्सिलेट भी बोल सकते, कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन, राइट, see this ऑक्सिलेट आयन। तो एस्पर्टिक एसिड और ग्लूटामिक एसिड को हम एस्पर्टेट या फिर ग्लूटामेट भी बोलते हैं, okay? Because it is in the ionic form, right? Aspartate or glutamate. So this is the first criteria classification. Second is based on polarity. Okay, polarity. First of all, I will make a chart here on the basis of polarity, non-polar, and polar. Polar में again charged, uncharged and charged. Charged में positively charged and negatively charged. Negatively, right? So these are the things. A basic idea. So this is basically of the side chain, right? See, you can see in this table, you can refer amino acid with non-polar side chain, right? अभी यहाँ पे amino acids दिए हैं, okay? You have to remember this, which are non-polar, which are polar, which are positively charged. This is mostly asked, okay? And this is important. First is glycine, right? You can see structure. R is H, only H, okay? H. Then glycine, then alanine. Okay, यहाँ पे अमीनो एसिड लिखने का 3 लेटर सिंबल एंड 1 लेटर सिंबल भी होता है, राइट? दिस इज आल्सो यू हैव टू नो, ओके? लाइक ग्लाइसिन का G है, 3 लेटर कोड इज GLY, एलानाइन का A है, ALA, तो यू कैन सी एलानाइन में मिथाइल ग्रुप है, CH3 साइड चेन, राइट? देन वैलिन, ओके, वैलिन है, तो हियर इट इज प्रोपेन, 3 कार्बन, देन ल्यूसीन इज देयर, L, ओके, यू कैन सी यहाँ पे ब्यूटेन है, ब्यूटेन, आइसोल्यूसिन में भी ब्यूटेन ही है, बट दिस इज अ आइसोमर, राइट? आइसोमर। मिथ्योनिन में सल्फर ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होता है, कैन सी, ओके? देन इट इज प्रोलीन, राइट? देन फिनाइलएलानाइन, फिनाइलएलानाइन को F 1 लेटर सिंबल, ओके, यू कैन सी यहाँ पे। देन ट्रिप्टोफैन, ट्रिप्टोफैन, ट्रिप्टोफैन है, तो ऑलरेडी साइड चेन को हाईलाइट किया है। द मेन थिंग इज यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द नेम्स विच आर इन द नॉन पोलर, दिस आर नॉन पोलर, मतलब ये हाइड्रोफोबिसिटी शो करेंगे, ओके, व्हेन दे react with water, right? Now next classification, amino acid with uncharged polar side chain, okay, polar side chain, इसमें serine है, threonine, right? asparagine, glutamine, tyrosine, cysteine, okay, you can notice the side chain. Now next amino acid with charged polar, okay, अभी charged polar में इस टेबल में मिक्स किया है, बट चार्ज में पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, ओके, पॉजिटिवली चार्ज इज लाइसिन, राइट, arginine and histidine, these are positively charged, and aspartic acid or aspartate and glutamic acid negatively charged, okay? Why these are positively and negatively charged? Because और एक ग्रुप यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होता है, ओके, यू कैन सी लाइसिन में अमाइनो ग्रुप है, एज वेल एज एस्पर्जिन में right? Same here with histidine. So this gives positive character. एंड जो एस्पर्टिक एसिड एंड ग्लूटामिक एसिड है इसमें COO कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का ग्रुप एक्स्ट्रा प्रेजेंट है, so this gives negative character. About the side chain, you have to know that histidine में imidazole ring, ये जो रिंग है उसको imidazole ring, then arginine में guanidino guanidino guanidium group ऐसे बोलते हैं, all this three amino group. Okay, now जो ग्लूटामिक एसिड है इस gamma COOH ऐसा लिखा है, and aspartic acid beta COH. Why? Just for an example, जो कार्बन इससे बाउंड है अमाइनो एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ग्रुप से, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अल्फा कार्बन, राइट? साइड चेन में भी दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ अ glutamate. I will write glutamate, also known as glutamic acid. This is negatively charged, right? अभी ये अल्फा है, ये बीटा और ये गैमा, ओके, एंड इस गैमा कार्बन पर, ऑन दिस गैमा कार्बन कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन इज प्रेजेंट, दस यहाँ पे ऐसा मेंशन है गैमा COOH. ओके, साइमल्टेनियसली यू कैन चेक और बीटा ऑल्सो, सेंटर कार्बन इज अल्फा एंड उसके बाद का बीटा, उस पर ये COO प्रेजेंट है. तो व्हाट इज दिस, हाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो रिटर्न एज लाइक दिस ना, ओके, लाइक दिस इज बेसिकली COO, राइट? वन मोर थिंग, टायरोसिन कंसिस्ट ऑफ फेनॉल साइड चेन. तो प्रोलीन का स्ट्रक्चर भी यहाँ पे कैसे साइक्लिक है, राइट? यू कैन सी देयर इज अ साइक्लिक रिंग टाइप स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोलीन. So this is known as pyrrolidine. Okay, pyrrolidine side chain. And tryptophan में indole ring. Tryptophan consists of indole ring. This chart is also very important. Okay, all the things you can see, आप screenshot निकाल सकते हो and save this, right? Here you can see proper segregation, right? जो जिसमें ring present है, those are characterized as aromatic R groups. Aromatic means there is a benzene ring. So phenylalanine is there, tyrosine, tryptophan, aromatic में. Positively charged में lysine, arginine, histidine. Negatively charged aspartate, glutamate. Okay, polar charged serine, threonine, cysteine, asparagine, glutamine, right? You can see aspartate and glutamate जो है negatively charged में, those are acidic forms of asparagine and glutamine. Glutamine and asparagine में amino group है, amino group is present, whereas acid group में acidic group present है. In non-polar, simple names glycine, alanine, proline, valine, leucine, isoleucine, ethone. Okay, this is the classification you have to remember. One more picture is there of this, you can refer. Most important is non-polar में कौन सा है, polar में कौन सा है, positive charge में कौन सा है, negative charge में कौन सा है, that things you have to know. Also, now from table, what you have to know? pK values, pK, okay, pK1 and pK2, right? Two ionizable groups are there, right? COOH and NH3 plus. Okay, so COH का pK वैल्यू This will be around 2.2 and amino ka 9.4. Got it? The charge basically and of amino acids how to know. हर एक इंडिविजुअल का टेबल में तो है ही, but this is all over of amino acid average we can say 2.2 for COOH group and 9.4 for amino group at physiological pH. This is very important, right? At physiological pH. You have to know that is 7.4. Next is chirality. Okay, chirality. Chirality के बारे में हमने बायोकेमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस किया है, राइट? All about chirality we have discussed. So amino acids are the chiral molecules. As you can see, central carbon पर, right? Central carbon पर different 4 different group present है. एक साइड amino group present है, एक साइड carboxylate and R group and H. Okay, so this is a chiral molecule. Okay, only the glycine, right? Glycine is a chiral. Glycine a chiral. Why a chiral? Because this is the structure I am drawing. Okay, यहाँ पे भी H है, साइड चेन में भी H है, and here also H is there. So this is a achiral. For the molecule to be chiral, chirality शो करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? There must be different groups, right? Different groups attached on the central carbon. So glycine में ऐसा नहीं है. There are same molecules H hydrogen. This is a chiral. बाकी all the amino acids are chiral. So this chirality has been compared with glyceraldehyde. Okay, glyceraldehyde का comparison में chirality को explain किया है. And L-alanine, D-alanine. These are the stereoisomers, right? Non-superimposable mirror image of each other, right? So enantiomers भी हम बोल सकते हैं. And L में amino group is on the left side, D में amino group is on the right side. The important thing about chirality you have to know is that L form is mostly seen. Okay? L form is mostly seen. So D form है that is rare. Okay, of amino acids we are talking, right? D form that is rare, and this is D form basically bacterial proteins or peptides we can say is of D form, right? मतलब बैक्टीरिया में जो प्रोटीन्स होते हैं और पेप्टाइड्स उसका नेचर डी फॉर्म होता है, राइट? स्ट्रक्चरल. नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट द चार्ज. ओके, चार्ज यू कैन सी ज्विटर आयोनिक नेचर है जो हम लोग ने देखा. ज्विटर आयोनिक मीन्स इट बिहेव एज अ एसिड एज वेल एज अ बेस. मतलब पॉजिटिव चार्ज भी है एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज भी प्रेजेंट है. डाइपोलर. So now there is a term known as isoelectric point. Isoelectric point. PI. Okay, isoelectric point PI. मतलब ऐसा pH जिसमें there is no electric charge. No electric. Okay, no net electric charge. Right? No net electric. Like here, zero charge present. Okay, why? CO minus भी है, NH3 plus भी है. So this will balance each other. Right? These both the charges balance each other. So thus the net charge is 0. And every amino acid has its own isoelectric point. Okay, isoelectric point is different for every amino acid. Now this central thing Pi is equal to Ph. Okay, be plus charge. Okay, plus one charge when will be seen because of positive nature of amino group. pH is less than Pi. pH is less than Pi than positively charged. मतलब pH अगर कम किया प्लस चार्ज प्रोटोनेटेड फॉर्म में हमें मिलेगा एंड pH above the Pi negative charged, right? Because of this carboxylate ion. One more picture, so this is non-ionic form जो हमने देखा जनरल फॉर्मूला, ओके जनरल स्ट्रक्चर COOH and NH2 and this is beta ionic form again CO minus NH3 plus, right? Means beta ion as acid. Okay, what acid will do? इलेक्ट्रॉन को डोनेट करेगा, राइट? H plus separate from amino and zwitter ion as base. This will accept the hydrogen or electron, right? And COH formation will take place. Sorry, my mistake. Acid will donate the proton donor, and base will accept the proton acceptor. Okay, proton acceptor, right? Positively charged H plus. This is proton. These are the modified amino acid residues. Okay, modified amino acid residues. Phosphoserine, gamma carboxyglutamate, 4-hydroxyproline, 3-methylhistidine and acetyl lysine. Like प्रोलीन पर 4 पोजीशन पर यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है हाइड्रोक्सिलेशन हुआ है. दिस इज अ प्रोलीन मॉडिफाइड, राइट? मॉडिफाइड प्रोलीन रेसिड्यू 4 हाइड्रोक्सी प्रोलीन. ओके, मतलब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है मॉडिफिकेशन हुआ है आफ्टर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ प्रोटीन, पोस्ट पोस्ट ट्रांसलेशन बोल सकते हैं. ओके, पोस्ट ट्रांसलेशन मिथाइलेशन, एसिटाइलेशन, राइट? देन phosphorylation, etc. These are the modifications. Phosphorylation is the majorly seen. Okay, phosphorylation common है modification. In the most cases it occurs. Now proteins we know act as neurotransmitters. और neurotransmitters में एकदम है GABA, gamma aminobutyric acid, histamine, dopamine. These are the neurotransmitters and thyroxine. This is a hormone. Okay, amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Okay, right? Protein also behave as neurotransmitter, right? Hormone, also enzyme. So again, there are different things, right? So here we saw example, 3 neurotransmitters are there, 1 hormone, thyroxine. Here also modified amino acids are given. So I will tell you some important things you have to know about this also. 4-hydroxyproline found in collagen. Okay, then carboxyglutamate clotting factor, prothrombin. Okay, desmosine में 4 lysine residues are there. Okay, and this is found in elastin, right? Selenocysteine, pyrrolysine, these are the modifications. Selenocysteine, selenium present होता है cysteine में, and pyrrolysine again lysine modification. As I said, this is a post translation modification. Okay, मतलब प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस कंप्लीट होने के बाद आफ्टर प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस modifications take place. From here ornithine, citrulline important है. These are the metabolic intermediates. Metabolic intermediates In the biosynthesis, arginine biosynthesis, as well as यूरिया साइकिल, राइट, इसमें रोल है इसका, ऑर्निथिन एंड सिट्रुलिन. नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, अमीनो एसिड्स कम टुगेदर एंड फॉर्म अ पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड, राइट. प्रोटीन में जो प्रेजेंट होता है पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड, तो अमीनो एसिड्स फॉर्म पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड विथ ईच अदर. ओके, हाउ डज दैट टेक प्लेस? दिस इज द अमीनो एसिड 1, दिस इज द अमीनो एसिड. ओके, अमीनो एसिड 1 का कार्बोक्सिलेट ग्रुप reacts with amino group, right, reacts with amino group of the amino acid 2. H2O, the water molecule is released. Okay, water molecule is released and CONH bond बनता है, CONH bond. This is basically known as peptide bond. Okay, one more thing you have to note, CONH known as amide linkage. Amide linkage called as peptide bond in proteins, right. So this is known as condensation reaction. इसे हम कंडेंसेशन बोलते हैं, बिकॉज दो अमीनो एसिड यहाँ पे कंडेंस हो रहे हैं, राइट. टू अमीनो एसिड गेटिंग कंडेंस with the elimination of a water molecule produced as a dipeptide. Okay, dipeptide means two amino acid joined with peptide bond. Okay, dipeptide इसे हम बोलेंगे. तो अगर 3 अमीनो एसिड्स है तो ट्राइपेप्टाइड, राइट. 4 है टेट्रापेप्टाइड, 5 है पेंटापेप्टाइड एंड सो ऑन. तो oligopeptide means 3 to 10 amino acids. Okay, oligopeptides. And polypeptide means many, more than 10 amino acids. Okay, one more picture is there. See, reversible reaction है. If formation of peptide bond results in elimination of water, so this is the condensation. And peptide bond को तोड़ना है. Okay, now this is the peptide bond. We have to separate the amino acids, then we have to add the water. Water का addition करने से amino acids separate होंगे. Okay, peptide bond will break by addition of water, and this reaction is known as hydrolysis. Got it? Hydrolysis. Then this is the absorbance of aromatic amino acids. इसमें benzene ring है, तो tryptophan and tyrosine can see correct 280 पर पीक दिखा रहे हैं. Okay, and phenylalanine is slightly नीचे है, right. Because tryptophan है and tyrosine है, this is they are polar, right. Polar है. Phenylalanine is not that much polar compared to tryptophan and tyrosine. This is about cysteine amino acid. Two molecules of cysteine can form a disulfide bond with each other. Okay, this is the oxidation reaction, right. Disulfide bond forms and the two thiol groups are oxidized. So this is the thiol group. Again H2O release, disulfide bond take place. Same type of reaction. यहाँ पे भी रिवर्सिबल बताया है. 2 हाइड्रोजन प्लस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिलीज हुए तो बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होगा, डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्ड का फॉर्मेशन. एंड रिवर्सिबल में वी हैव टू ऐड द हाइड्रोजन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन. गॉट इट? नाउ दिस इज नोन एज सिस्टाइन. सिस्टाइन स्पेलिंग में डिफरेंस है. ओके, दिस इज विदाउट डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्ड एंड विथ डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्ड सिस्टीन. ये सिस्टीन होगा, ये सिस्टाइन होगा. ये डबल ई, यहाँ पे ई है, ई यहाँ पे ई नहीं है, एक ई नहीं है. यहाँ पे सिस्टाइन and this is cysteine. So note the differences. Small differences are very important. You have to remember. Got it? One thing you have to know about histidine, okay? This is also important thing. Histidine, we know this is a positively charged. Okay, positively charged है histidine. But इसका जो side chain है, उसका pK value is close to normal. Okay, see, and compare it with other 6.04 है, right? Histidine का side chain pK. So thus it is found protonated also, means positively charged भी हमें मिलता है, and unprotonated also means not bearing charge, positive charge. Okay, so this can be found as protonated as well as non-protonated or unprotonated. Okay, now the last thing, this is the example. You can see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 peptide bonds. Okay, में 4 peptide bonds है, मतलब 5 amino acids होंगे, right? 5 amino acids. Then 5 amino acids है तो हम इसे क्या बोलेंगे? पेंटापेप्टाइड. Okay, pentapeptide. Now there is a naming scheme. Okay, मतलब हम नेमिंग कैसे करेंगे? सीराइल. ओके, फर्स्ट होगा सीरीन, सीराइल, देन ग्लाइसाइल मीन्स ग्लाइसिन, टायरोजाइल, राइट, टायरोजिन, एलानाइल, एलानाइल, ओके, एंड ल्यूसीन. गॉट इट? तो 5 अमीनो एसिड्स है. ऐसा नेम इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज सीराइल, ग्लाइसाइल, टायरोजाइल, एलानाइल, ल्यूसीन. Okay, 3 letter code serine, glycine, tyrosine, alanine, leucine or 1 letter. Okay, then we know that N terminus होता है एक साइड, which is amino terminus, and एक साइड C terminus is carboxyl terminal end. Okay, carboxyl terminal end, amino terminal end, N terminus, C terminus. Okay, so peptides are named beginning with the amino terminal residue, which by convention is placed at the left. The peptide bonds are shaded in light red, R groups are in red. Okay, so all the things about amino acids we have discussed. That's it for this video. I hope this would have helped you. If you find it helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the upcoming video. Thank you.